video, I'm going to explain on how the SimTrain system is integrated with the parent portal and also the mobile apps. So first thing first, you need to have the SimTrain system ready. If you are a SaaS subscriber, you need to at least subscribe to professional package. So after that, we're required to have the link of your official website. Note that Facebook link is not included, and the link of your official website works as a place to house the parent module. And once we have the link of the website, we will put in the parent module on the landing page so that the parent can start visiting and logging in to the website or the parent module to get the latest information about their kids. And last but not least, if you prefer to have mobile apps, all the information in the parent module will be pulled to the mobile apps. So basically, all the information consists in the parent module will be displayed the same in the mobile apps. Only that, all newly released announcements will be notified automatically to the parents. So that's the difference between a parent module and mobile apps in terms of receiving information. So for parent module, parents will have to keep logging in to see if there's any new announcement or any messages about their kids. But by using mobile apps, they will be kept informed and they will be notified automatically with the push notification like your Facebook notification. So there are a few things that you should know about having a SimTrain mobile app. First, you need to get your company logo ready for Play Store and Apple Store approval. So your company logo will be displayed on the apps for the parents to choose on the Play Store or the Apple Store. And next, we require you to provide us a set of privacy policy for your app. And next, all themes and designs are standardized according to the default templates provided by us. If you require specific themes and designs, further customization is allowed, but it is chargeable. And all information in SimTrain parent portal will be pulled directly to SimTrain mobile app. And again, if you require specific customization to be displayed on the mobile apps, it is chargeable. So if you are subscribed to Parents Portal, parents will go to this page and they will log in with the credentials that you provide them with. So the username and password will be created by you in the SimTrain system. So let's take a look on how to create the login credentials for the parents. So first you need to go to your SimTrain system and you have to go to the parents profile, which is located in master data, primary master data, and go to add added parents. So right here, I'm going to choose the symbol of parent. Click edit. So here you're going to insert the login ID for the parents. Let's say I'm going to put Amber and insert a password here. And once you're done, click Save. So now that I have created a login credential for Amber, let's take a look whether it works on the SimTrain portal. Okay, so this is the interface of the parent portal upon login. So once parents log in, they will have this view, right? So this is the home page where you get to see 3 functions displayed, which are public announcement, class announcement, one-to-one announcement. Public announcement is a type of announcement where you release to all parents without restrictions, meaning to say that all parents get to view the messages that you choose to display to. Class announcement, on the other hand, is a type of announcement that you can release by classes. Let's say the student is in a mathematics class from 1 and you would like to release an announcement for that particular class. So all parents of the students that are in that class will be receiving the particular messages. And last but not least is one-to-one announcement. It's a type of announcement that you release to individual parents. So if you would like to congratulate this student is doing well in his performances, so you get to message personally to his parent. So I'm going to create 3 different announcements from the SimTrain system and you get to see how the messages are displayed in the parent portal. So going back to the SimTrain system, going to home page, Make sure you have the announcement widgets. If not, you can check on the widget settings and take a new announcement and click Save Changes. If it's not listed on this widget listing, you may go to Setup Module and then you go to Master Data and click Widget Permission and choose the group that you are assigned in. Let's say if you are in the admin group, click Admin and select SimTrain module and take New Announcement checkbox and click Update. And you'll find the new announcement widget on the widget setting list and take it and save changes. So let's take a look on how to create an announcement. We go to public announcement first. So I'm going to create a sample of public announcement, for example, public holiday and Christmas. And you may choose the type of the information, whether it's an alert, announcement, or information. And you may choose the date of the announcement. And you may also assign a closing date for the announcement. Let's say if I put 6th of December as the closing date, meaning to say after 6th December, the announcement will be removed. And you can set the priority, whether it's a low, medium, or top priority. And for public announcement, it will be delivered to everyone. And you may type in the messages that you would like to show on the parents portal. And once done, click Save. And if everything is fine and alright and ready to be published, take the checkbox of Publish, scroll down and click Save. So going back to the parent portal, you get to see there's a new information or there's a new announcement released from your center. So parents will have the title viewed over here and they need to click it and they'll see the messages. And the best part is parents get to respond to your messages. For example, you click Submit and go back to the announcement and refresh it. And we scroll down, you get to see a list of feedbacks that you receive from particular parents. So the same goes to class announcement and one-to-one announcement. Let's take a look on how to create a class announcement. Go back to home page and click class announcement. Class replacement. And choose announcement as a type. And click class. Choose the class that you would like to deliver the message to. Let's say I'm going to release this message for Form 1 Mathematics class and change the priority to top priority. Same step, ready to publish and click Save. So go back to home page and I'm going to register a student, which is Amber's Kids, Tiffany over here. And I'm gonna register Tiffany into Mathematics Form 1 class and go back to the parent portal, refresh, and you get to see the announcement that are released through class announcement is now displayed on the parent portal. So click on the title over here and you get to see the message that I just sent and they can respond back. So the list here, the announcement list over here will only display the last 3 days announcement. If you like to go back and see the announcement that have been released more than 3 days, you can click on the specific functions over here. If you like to see class announcement, just click on the class announcement function and so on. So go back to home page. If let's say a parent have more than a kid going to the same center, so the same names will be displayed over here. Just select any of the kids' names, and the parents gets to see the information of the student or their children. So here is Amber's daughter's information. So you get to see her index number, the name, date of birth, the join date, the gender. If she has any telephone number, handphone number, it will be displayed over here. School and standard. And next step is registered class. So when parents click registered class, they get to see the classes that their kids are going to. So for example, here Tiffany is registered under mathematics from one class. You get to see the tutor in charge who's teaching this class, and the fees for the class is 30 ringgit. And going to the next tab, outstanding payment. If parents have not made any payment yet for the kids' lessons, it will be displayed under this tab. Okay, so let's say Tiffany or Amber herself would like to make a payment for the lesson that she's having. So going back to SimTrain page and go to payment and click create payment. Let's say Amber has paid the total amount of 30 ringgit. So going back to the parent portal, when I refresh, there's no outstanding payment anymore. So when you go to paid tab, you'll see the receipt number over here. So when you click on the receipt number, parents get to download the PDF version of the receipt. So now that parents can download the receipt on their own, you can save a lot more on the printing costs. So going back to the parent portal, if the student has undergone certain exams or tests, the results will get to be displayed here. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say now Tiffany has been registered to math class. So let's go to education class, search the class. So I'm going to create a sample test. Click add test over here. Final year exam. That's just going to be held today. And the responsible tutor would be Rahma. And put in the grade standard. The grade standard over here is a marking scheme. For example, from 80 to 100 marks is considered as A. It depends on how you determine your marking scheme. And if you like to configure more the grade standard, you can go to master data, secondary master data, and go to add edit grade standard. You can also create sessions, for example, if afternoon sessions, morning session, depends on how you like it to work. So click save. So let's say the teacher has completed marking the student's paper, and now they're going to insert the result, and then you get to see the grade, whether it's an A, B, C, or so on. And when you go back to the parent portal, parents get to view the result of the kids, and you also get to insert the result description. For example, I'm going to put excellent over here and save, and the parents will see the description that I just inserted. And as for the attendance, parents also get to see what time their kids clock into the respective classes. So let's go to the attendance function in SimTrain. So I'm going to select Tiffany's name. So for example, if Tiffany walks in or clocks in at 2 p.m. and then when Amber logs in, and she gets to see at what time Tiffany actually clocks into her class. So you get to see the time and the date over here. So that is SimTrain parent portal in a nutshell. So you get to provide a lot of information in a single platform.